Hi, today we're going to learn about the array list. First, let's type in ArrayList string ArrayList equals new ArrayList string. Next, let's type in an array. Int array equals new int size 1. Now, what is the difference between an array and an array list? A regular array has a fixed size, and an array list has a variable size. Let's say, for example, array can only use index 0 for its size because of its size, while array lists can add to its size. So it can add an element to its size. Add a new element. Okay. It doesn't have, it's not initialized with a fixed size, but it can add size. It can add elements to its size, add elements and then increase its size. Say, let's type in system.out.println array list.get 0. So let's get our array at 0. Run this program. And here we've got added a new element. Let's add another one. A new element. Here we've added 2 elements. So this is at index 0. This is at index 1. So let's change this to index 1. So let's get the value at index 1. Run this program. Here we've got a new element at index 1. And the difference with the array list is you can easily add and you can also subtract. Say array list dot remove. Let's remove a element at index 1. And now if you run the program, there will be an error because we've just removed an element at index 1, and therefore the size of the array list has been reduced to 1 again. And this is it for the array list, and thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos.